Hi friends!
We made some fun and easy pockets on the live earlier.
And I'm going to create one so quickly so you can see how fast they come together.
So all you're gonna need, friends, is a piece of paper any size, and you're gonna fold it up and then glue the sides. And once you've done that, you're gonna make sure you burnish. They come together so fast. And then for your closure, you're just gonna cut some wonky little circles. You see, I layered my circles. So fun. And you're gonna add them on. And that's it. Your pocket is done. That's it, friends. Look how easy that was. Now I'm going to add a little embellishment, and this is from my wonky Whimsical snippets. I will post the link in the description bar. It's finito. So cute. I added sentiments, and some of them don't have sentiments. And look, you have a pocket. Oh, so cute. You can add a notch. Oh my gosh, friends, these were so fun to make. I removed the sentiments. I thought it was cute without. What do you all think? Go make some whimsy pockets.
That's it, friends. Have a wonderful day. You are loved. You matter. Have a juicy day. Until next time. Bye.